If you have a relatively bigger bed slinger 3D printer, you probably encountered this kind of the problem. My desk is around 50 centimeters deep, and there lies a problem. The design of, in my case, Creality High is quite interesting, because I had a cover tree and I didn't have this problem. When the printer is completely on the edge of the bed, I'm having problem that when the bed is going on the back side, you see how much the cable is bending. This is not good. This is not good at all. So I decided to design these bed extenders for bed slingers 3D printers. This is how it is supposed to work. I'm gonna give you an example with this one, because this is specifically designed for my desk. But you can change it in the slicer by making it longer, wider, or more thicker for different size of tables. So it is quite versatile. This is how it works. It basically extends the table. This is something which I wanted, because I didn't want to rotate my 3D printer. I find that super unpractical, and look at this. It is really good now. Not perfect, as the bed is rarely going completely on the back side, especially you won't place the print here and print on this spot. So basically it is just doing this when it is finding its position. This is something which I find really appealing. There are holes designed, but again, in the slicer you can add the holes whatever you need or want. In my case, this even works without doing any holes. Basically it works. It's super strong, convenient, and you can make any table works for your bed slinger 3D printer. Check out the Creality Cloud links down below. Subscribe for more content. See ya.